Welcome to the Document Creation Training Series. In this series, we will cover all items related to creating new templates, editing existing templates, and setting up email functionality. Patricia gives us the ability to generate documentation on our cases based on templates. These templates are pre-created with placeholder values, which are then populated with case information when the document is generated. To access the template creation area, open Patricia and click on the Actions drop-down. Choose Document and then Document Creation. The Document Template Creation area will then open. In this window, we edit and create our templates. Let's first look at the interface itself. On the left, we have a navigation tree, and it is here where all of our templates are stored. Right now, we only see the folder structure, with each folder being named after a case type in our system. The templates themselves are nested within these folders. To see a list of the templates in a folder, click on the plus icon. We can then see a list of all the templates belonging to that case type. As an example here, we have a patent letter to client, which is stored under our patent folder. Our trademark letter will then be stored under the trademark folder. So our documents are grouped by the case type they belong to. The next thing to note is that each template has a unique ID. First, the case type code, followed by a 3-digit ID. So here we can see P001, which is our letter to agent, and under trademark we have TM001, which is also a letter to agent. These are two separate letters, each specific to the case type it has been created under. And this will be important later. In the middle section, we have our content area. It is here where we set specific behaviors for how our template will behave when it's generated. At the bottom, we have a row of buttons which we use to save changes we make, open templates for editing, duplicating templates, or creating brand new templates. So right now, all the content area fields are grayed out, which means we cannot edit anything. And why is this? The reason is that we do not have a template selected. So I'm going to choose a template on the left-hand side by clicking on it. Notice that some of the fields have opened up for editing, but others are still not available. The reason for this is simple. Patricia supports multiple languages, and this is also taken into account when we are working with templates. Right now, we have the template selected, but not the language version of that template. To access the language version, click on the small plus icon next to the template name. Note our list of languages, each of which is its own unique letter within the system. I will click on English. And when I do this, I have several more options open up for me to edit. So to summarize, we always try and work with the language version of a template as shown here. When I work on this level, the fields in the content area are open for editing. We also have the email properties page where we set email specific behavior. Patricia caters for emailing out from the system, and it is here where we define if this template is to be an email and how it should look when sent. The last item is how do you remove a template or a language version. To remove a language version of a template, right-click on it and choose Remove Language Template. If you wish to remove the template itself, then right-click on the template entry and choose Remove Template.